Hello everyone. So today's Leetcode daily question is subarray product less than k. So we are given with an array nums and integer k, and we have to find the number of subarrays that have product less than k. So looking at the first example, the nums is 10, 5, 2, 6. We have to return the number of subarrays that such that the product of the elements in that subarray is less than 100. So here are 8 possible subarrays which will have product less than 100. So you can see that in example, and we have not included 10, 5, 2 in this subarray because the multiplication of these element will be 100, which is not strictly less than 100 or the k given. And in the constraints we are given that the length of the nums array is greater than 1 to less than 3 into 10 raised to 4, and value in the nums array is greater than 1 to less than 1000. So the nums will definitely contain values which are greater than 1, product of which will never be 0 or less than 1. So we know that if k is 0, then we have to return output 0. So let us look at the code. So here I have used sliding window technique to solve this, and before running this code, let us understand the logic and how it iterates. So this is my code which I have written over there, and I have taken the example which is given to us and how my code iterates and what at every iteration what the count value is. So the first condition is whenever k is less than 1 given to us, we have to return 0 because we know that nums value contains value greater than 1 to less than 1000, so the product will never be less than 1. Initializing left is equals to 0, count is equals to 0, and product is equals to 1. Let us start the for loop. For right and value in enumerate nums, right will contain the index of the value in nums. So for here 10 is at 0th index, so 0 will be in right and value will have 10. So product into product and value, product is 1 and value now is 10, so product will be 1 into 10, that is 10. 10 is less than the product k given to us, so it will not enter the while loop, and the count value will become 0 plus 0 plus 1, that is 1, because right is at 0 and left is also at 0, and count we have initiated with 0, so now count has become 1. In the second iteration, right value is 1 because of the index, and value is now 5. So the product is equals to product into value will become now 10 into 5, that is 50, which is less than k. So we will not enter while loop, and the count value will now become 1 plus 1 plus 1, that is 3, as right is 1, left is 0, and the count value initially was 1, and 1 we are adding in, so 3. In the third iteration, right is 2, value is also 2. The product will now become 100, as 10 into 5 into 2 will be 100, which is not strictly less than 100, so we will enter while loop. Product will now become product divided by nums of left. Nums of left here is 10, as left is 0, so 100 divided by 10 will be 10, so product now will be 10. Left will be now incremented by 1, so left now is 1. Count will become count plus right minus left plus 1, so count in the second iteration was 3 and right is now 2, so and left is 1, so 3 plus 2 minus 1 plus 1 will now become 5, so count is 5 now. In the third iteration, So in the fourth iteration, right is 3, value of at 3 index so is 6, so value is 6, and product is product into value, the product in the third iteration became 10, so 10 into value is 60. Since 60 is less than k, that is 100, we will not enter while loop, and now count is become 5 plus right is 3, left is 1, so 3 minus 1 plus 1. Now count has become 8, which is the required output. So this is how the code works, and the count value we will return in the end. So let us run this code. So it is accepted, and this is my solution. The link of this solution is given in the comment box. This is my submission with 76%. Thank you.